everyone, welcome to the channel. VTU has announced the revised academic calendar for odd semester of 2020-21. So this video is about the details of that revised academic calendar for VTU students. So this revised academic calendar is applicable for third semester, fifth and seventh semesters of BE, BTech and B Plan, and for ninth semester of BArch students, third and fifth semester of MCA, and third semesters of MBA, MTech and MArch students for the academic year of 2020-21, and it is applicable for all affiliated, constituent and autonomous engineering colleges of VTU. Let's get into the details. As per the revised academic calendar, which is officially announced by VTU for the odd semester of 2020-2021, the commencement of odd semester, which is already officially announced, is for third, fifth and seventh semester BE, BTech, B Plan, BArch, and for ninth semester BArch students, the commencement of odd semester is September 1st, 2020. It is the same date for third and fifth semester MCA, third semester MBA, third semester MTech, and third semester MArch students. For first semester BE, BTech, BArch, B Plan students and MTech, MBA, MCA and MArch students, the dates will be officially announced by VTU later. The last working day of odd semester for VTU is scheduled as January 16, 2021 for third, fifth, seventh semester BE, BTech, BArch students, third and fifth semester MCA, third semester MBA, third semester MTech and MArch students. The practical examinations will be held in the week of January 21st, 2021 to February 2nd, 2021. For third and fifth semester MCA, it will be January 21st, 2021 to January 27th, 2021. For third semester MTech, it is January 21st, 2021 to January 27th, 2021. The theory examinations will be conducted from February 8, 2021 to March 25th, 2021 for third, fifth, seventh semester BE, BTech, B Plan, BArch and ninth semester BArch students. For third and fifth semester MCA, it will be conducted from January 28 to February 10, 2021. For third semester MBA students, it will be conducted from January 21st to February 17, 2021. For third semester MTech, it will be conducted from January 28 to February 10, 2021. For third semester MArch, it will be conducted from January 21st to February 6, 2021. And the internship Viva would be conducted for third sem MTech from February 11 to February 18, 2021. And the commencement of event semester for third, fifth and seventh semester BE, BTech, B Plan and BArch students would be March 26, 2021. For third and fifth semester MCA, the event semester would start on February 11, 2021. And for third semester MBA, event semester would start on February 18, 2021. For third semester MTech, it would be the reopening date would be February 19, 2021. And for third semester MArch, the reopening date would be February 8, 2021. And some points to be noted is 7th semester BE BTech students of VTU have to undergo internship, which is and the circular which is already issued by VTU. And the classroom sessions for all the higher semesters can be conducted in online mode or offline mode or blended mode. And the circular is already issued by the UGC as well as by the Karnataka government. And the institute has to function 6 days a week with additional hours, and Saturday must be a full working day. As well as the notification regarding the calendar of events for the university exams will be separately issued by the Registrar of Evaluation of VTU again later. And this academic calendar, which is tentative and it may be modified if there is any new guidelines is issued by MHRD or UGC or AICTE or by Karnataka government. And this revised academic calendar is applicable for all the constituent, affiliated and autonomous colleges of VTU. So that is all about the details of when the exams will be conducted. Most of you are asking me in the comment section and about when the event semester would start for these set of students. So that's all about the details. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and press all to get instant updates.